Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find lithium. So lithium is sort of an end of the beginning of the game sort of resource that you get after you have unlocked the heat upgrade. And starting out from the Lifepod where we just were, you're going to want to head to sort of the southeast east from there. Because where you're going to be going is you're going to be going to the volcanic area. In order to properly explore the volcanic area, you'll need to have gotten the heat adaptation from another one of the angel combs that requires the sonic cannon in order to unlock. Once you have that, bring your sonic cannon with you, and if you have the tadpole, I also recommend using it because it just makes this whole experience so much more convenient. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pop over here down towards the east into the volcanic area, and we're just going to plunge deep down in here looking for a cave. You can also find lithium on the walls of some of these smokestacks, but you find the biggest pieces inside of caves. Well, the most, not necessarily the biggest, but most of the pieces inside of caves. Like you can find some inside of here. You can shove your pod in here. Maybe you can find some in here. You're looking for a big cave, and the biggest cave is down here at the very bottom of this chasm. You can see there's a bunch of holes in the floor. You can just cruise down into there and have a look around on the cave walls, and that's where I find a lot of all of these different minerals. And they'll look very similar to lead, but they'll be a different color. They're kind of like an ambery color, and they'll just be big old chunks hanging out on the walls where they're fairly easy to get to, along with gold and some other materials. So here's where I found them before. Here we go. So here you can see they kind of grow out of the walls, little geometric formations, and you can pop out. And these you need to have your sonic resonator to harvest. You can just shoot it, and you get one big old chunk at a time. So you can just open these up, grab a few of them, and then use those to build different pieces of equipment. So here I've got 3 big old pieces. It's very useful to have your tadpole for this. There are lots of oxygen plants around, but this just makes it so you don't have to worry about it. Then once you're done, you can just head back up through any of the holes that you found, back out through this cave over here, and head back to base. So I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.